In this mSpy review video, I'm here to guide you to everything you need to know about mSpy. So if you're a parent who wants to keep an eye on what your child does online or is worried that your partner might be doing something wrong, you can use mSpy to see what they're doing on their phone. mSpy provides a ton of features to help you track what someone is doing on their phones. So let's explore what mSpy is and who it's for and dive into some of its capabilities. Now please feel free to explore mSpy by yourself by clicking the link in the description down below. Now with this link, you'll get to experience mSpy for yourself and follow along easily with this review. So what exactly is mSpy? Well, mSpy is a type of app that helps people keep track of what someone is doing on their phone. With mSpy, you can see things like the messages someone sends and receives, the websites they visit, where they've been, what photos they're sending and receiving, and a lot more. In this video, I'm going to explore the functionality and benefits of mSpy to help you decide if it's the right fit for you and your situation. Okay, so now let's see how mSpy helps you access data from anyone's phone. Let's start with one feature that you may find really useful if you're worried that your significant other might be cheating or lying to you. mSpy can help you check their calls and messages even if those messages have been deleted already. And this works on Android and iPhone, so you can see messages on iMessage and even other messaging apps like WhatsApp and Facebook. Now, even though call recording is not possible by any spy app, mSpy can't record calls, but they can show you details about the calls made and received on the phone, like who they were talking to, when, and for how long. And when it comes to knowing your loved one's location, mSpy also has you covered with their GPS tracking, so you can see where the person's phone is at all times, so you'll know exactly where they've been and for how long and how often they go there. Now this is really good for parents who want to make sure their kids are safe, or to keep an eye on where your significant other is going, or to make sure an elderly family member is safe. You can also set up virtual boundaries, so if the phone goes into or out of certain areas, you will get a message alert. Now this is really helpful if you're worried about safety or if you think someone might be wrong. Employers can also use this feature to check where their workers are when they're out working to make sure they're doing their job properly and using their time well. Now, mSpy also comes with a special feature called a keylogger, which is pretty unique and very, very useful. This feature records every single keystroke made on the device you're monitoring. So whether it's typing out messages, entering passwords, or any other text, mSpy keeps track of it all. And this can be super helpful if you want to know exactly what someone is typing on their phone or computer. I honestly really love how detail-oriented mSpy is on each of its features. It really shows how much attention they put into making sure that this app will cover all of our needs when it comes to online protection. It even comes with a pretty cool feature called discrete screen recording. This means you can see exactly what's happening on the target device in real time, almost like watching a live video of the person's screen. It's like having eyes on the device even if you're not physically there. And this feature can be really useful because it lets you catch any inappropriate or harmful activity as it's happening in real time. So even if the user tries to delete something later, you will still have a record of it. And with mSpy's remote access capabilities, you have the power to keep an eye on the target device no matter where you are. So whether you're chilling at home, working in the office, or even traveling around, you could easily log into your mSpy account and see what's going on in real time on the target's device. And here's the cool part, mSpy works quietly in the background, so it doesn't leave any traces on the target's device at all. So the person using it won't have a clue that they're being monitored at all. And this feature is super important because it ensures that your monitoring activities remain an actual secret. Now let's dive into how you can get mSpy up and running on your Android or iOS device. So setting up mSpy is incredibly simple and pretty hassle-free. All you really need to do is head over to the official website where you'll create an account and choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs. And that is basically it. There's no complicated steps. Just a few clicks and you're ready to start monitoring. It is really that easy. All you need to do is download the mSpy app onto the target device and it will be installed in just a matter of minutes. And after the setup is done, you could easily access the mSpy dashboard from your phone or computer and start monitoring. Now let me quickly tell you about the dashboard. So the dashboard, in my opinion, is super user-friendly and very easy to navigate. Even if you're not really good with modern technology, you'll have no trouble at all figuring it out. It is designed to be straightforward and accessible, perfect for parents and caregivers who just want to keep an eye on things without getting drowned down in technical details. The mSpy dashboard is basically like your command center for monitoring the target's devices, and it neatly organizes all the device's activities into different sections, making it super easy to keep track of everything. You've got sections for screenshots, visited websites, and even reports from the keylogger. It is all laid out in a way that's easy to understand so you can quickly see what's been going on with the device. Now, if you're curious about how it all looks and works, mSpy does offer a free demo version on its website. So this will let you take a peek at the dashboard and get a feel for how the data is presented. So it's a great way to see if mSpy is the right fit for you before you actually commit to anything. And if you ever have any questions or need a helping hand, mSpy's customer support team is always there to help you as well, and they're actually really good. They're friendly, knowledgeable, and ready to assist you with anything you need. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing of mSpy. So mSpy offers different subscription options depending on how long you want to use their services. So you've got 3 choices: a 1-month, 3-month, or 12-month plan. Now, if you're just looking to test the waters or you only need to monitor for a short period, then the 1-month plan might be perfect for you. It's only around $50 per month, which isn't too bad if you're just trying things out. Then there's a 3-month plan, which costs around $30 per month, and this one offers a nice balance between affordability and duration. It gives you a little bit more time to monitor without paying too much. And then finally, there's the 12-month plan, which will provide you with the biggest savings. It costs only about $11 a month, making it the cheapest option in the long run if you know you're going to need mSpy for a while, or you just want the best value for your money. That this is the plan for you. So to sum it all up, mSpy stands out as one of the best monitoring and tracking software with a set of features that are hard to beat. And personally, I definitely find it worth it to subscribe to the yearly plan for those money savings. I would highly recommend it to anyone that is in need of powerful monitoring capabilities. And guys, that just about wraps up my review of mSpy. Again, if you're interested in this app, click the link in the description down below to get started with your free trial today. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But as for this video, guys, that's just about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.